Oh, hi. Didn't see you there. If you're wondering why I'm half naked, my wife's trying a new experiment on me tonight. Compliments of sugarsugarwax.com. That's sugarsugarwax.com. The all-natural organic waxing solution. All-natural, cruelty-free, biodegradable, hypoallergenic, zero waste, and vegan.
And edible.
I try a little
It's
bit.
edible. It's just a little piece.
For all those culinary candy makers out there.
It's just really sticky.
Hashtag FairyFuzzMother. Step 1, water. Clean Slate micellar cleansing water. Start your glow ritual with a clean slate. Generously spray cleansing water over skin surface.
You said generously.
Gently remove excess water and impurities with cotton pad or towel until completely clean. To remove excess oil and makeup, repeat these steps 2 to 3 times.
You have makeup back here?
Do not rinse. Allow the skin 1 to 2 minutes to completely dry before moving on to the next step. You can also use this step morning and night for a nice facial cleanser. Stand by.
Okay.
Step 2, powder. Detox Dust. Apply powder by shaking tube dispenser onto clean and dry skin surface directly or by using soft application brush. Use your hand or soft brush to gently distribute the powder over the... What was that?
Nothing.
Gently distribute over the skin. Is it down the butt crack?
Nope.
Where the glow goop will be applied.
I'm assuming this area.
We apply powder throughout the hair removal process.
Smells like a spa.
Crack my ass.
Okay, what's the next step?
Glow goop. Wait a minute. After cleansing the skin, warm all the natural formula to 70 to 90 degrees
Oh, no.
in a bowl of hot water for 10 minutes.
No, this is just 10 seconds.
Or in microwave for 10 seconds.
Here we go.
No applicator required. Scoop out a lump of goop from the jar with fingers. Use fingertips to roll into a ball. Oh god, I know what's coming. Gloves are recommended but not required.
Perfect.
Press on dry skin and apply it slowly in the direction of hair growth for long hair.
I can't tell which way this is grown. Can we bend over?
Against the grain for short hair.
Okay, I think I need to go this way.
Remove sugar in opposite direction of application by quickly flicking your wrist.
Don't worry, I saw this on the video. You have to do it like 3
Reapply
times.
the same lump of goop until softened into a loose paste. I'm sweating.
Oh, Kelly Clarkson.
1, 2, 3, 4. Discard and restart the process.
Whoa! Get up close.
With a fresh ball of sugar until desired area is turned into a loose paste.
Wait, let me see. Huh. Okay, let's try this again. So,
Should we use it?
yeah.
Yeah, until it has softened into a loose paste.
And just keep.
Discard and refresh with a fresh ball of sugar until desired area is hair free.
Hold on, need to.
Oh,
yeah, I got this. Wait, let me see. Bend over. I'm sweating.
so I'm sweating. How? How?
Ready? Okay, on 3.
You're...
1, 2, 3. 4. Wow, that's really getting it. This is kind of cool. They said it was a learning curve when you first
I'll bet.
try it. What?
Stop. Are you flicking your wrist? It
Yeah.
says a flick of the wrist.
Yeah. Now, can you bend over a little bit more? Yeah, that's the way Daddy likes it. Oh, yeah. You like it rough?
Flick of the wrist!
I am doing the wrist.
Oh.
Oh, look at that. It's nice and smooth.
Okay, maybe we should stop for now.
Well, no, we gotta finish it.
Oh, that's not so bad.
Oh.
Well, we figured it out.
Let me get your little happy patch going to your craft, your ass. Oh, yeah, that was a
Quickly.
good one. You're like sweating on my knee. That is good.
I'm sweating.
That's pretty good. We should have done before and after.
Yeah.
Fuck, we didn't do that.
Yeah. You want to move to
Guys.
step 4?
Oh, what's step 4?
The Silk Slip Triple Hyaluronic Acid Serum.
Do you want to try a bite now?
I don't want to try a bite.
It's been in my pocket. It's all soft and squishy.
Disgusting. Clean off any residue with warm water and apply the soap slip to nourish and protect the skin.
You can go over it as many times in the same spot because this is safe and it doesn't rip the skin.
Doesn't feel like it.
Look at that! That's pretty good shit. I'm actually thoroughly impressed. It's gonna leave, that's like a party on the side. We're gonna keep it clean in the middle.
Remove any shaver racks with warm water. Ah. Gently pat skin dry with clean towel. Apply serum and gently massage into skin. Allow 1 to 2 minutes for the serum to be absorbed in the skin before putting on clothes. Avoid any oil product for 24 hours.
Ooh, that smells nice.
Beauty hack. Use morning and night as your facial cleanser for sensitive skin.
Actually, it smells like a little bit of sunscreen.
A little
Like
bit.
a-
A little bit. Smells clean. Ah, that's nice.
Okay.
Takes the sting away.
What was that?
Well, it's better than a kick in the nuts. We're done here. Thanks for watching.